Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I am joined with Rosebud Bunny YT, and today we're gonna be trying this game. Rosebud, what do you have, bees?
Yeah, I do have bees.
What, you started without me? You started without me? I don't know how to get a first pet.
Okay, go to the left-hand side.
Left-hand side.
There's a little menu on your screen. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a little menu.
There's a honey storm!
Click all the tokens.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Honey, 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 honey. Honey, 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 honey. Honey, 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 honey. Oh my gosh, this is so much vanilla. The honey storm's over. But Sadie, how do you get the bees?
Go to on the left hand.
So there's like a little eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, basic egg.
And drag it to.
Wait, how do you have 2 bees?
I bought bees.
Oh yeah, I have enough for 2 bees for that thingy. From the honey storm. I got a basic bee. I hatched a basic bee. I have like 3,557.
And when your bag is, you can go in these fields and then shovel up some flowers and then. Yeah. And then when you.
Oh, I just bought 2 eggs.
Oh, go to your hive and hatch them.
Okay, I'm going to my hive. I'm going to my hive.
I'm making.
I got enough for 2 eggs because of the storm.
I'm going to the store right now to get a better bag and maybe a better.
I got a basic bee again. Okay, and then I got another basic bee. I have 3 bees. Okay.
I have 2 bees.
So how does this thing work? Like, oh, there's a ladybug! Oh my gosh. Get the pollen, my minions. Oh, the bees work for you. They collect pollen for you.
I got royal jelly.
Oh, my bag of pollen's almost full. I gotta go back to my hive. Yep, my bag's full. My pollen container's full. I gotta go back to my hive. Okay. Make honey. Okay, my bees are making honey. Oh, they're sucking up the honey. They're making honey for me. They're making honey.
I have a 3,000 bag now.
I have 648 honey right now.
Use to activate and purchase special things. Royal jelly. I want another royal jelly. Get the royal jelly.
How much? So, what's this? It's 800 honey. I can't afford that, so I guess I'll leave the shop. I'm gonna go get some more honey. I need 5 bees to get over there. Oh boy. Oh, royal jelly? There's a bear! Guys, attack! TT's on the server!
I know, I just told you that.
You did not. TT, you're just running away without any bees. Talk to Brown Bear. Hey there, I'm Brown Bear. Have you ever heard of royal jelly? It's a special food that contains a bee type. Apply it to a bee's honeycomb cell and it instantly transforms. I found royal jelly.
I got stubborn bee.
I see royal jelly. I can't get up to it. Hi. Hello. I see royal jelly. That's royal jelly right there. Oh my gosh. I can't get up there. Oh, I got up! I just got royal jelly! I jumped! Hi, TT. Hello, TT. I'm going back to my nest. I'm going back to my hive to get this royal jelly working.
Yeah, I got one too.
Really? To upload it, like upgrade your thing?
Yeah.
One of your bees?
Have
Which one? Oh, you got what kind of bee is
I
that?
got a rare stubborn bee.
Oh, by the way, if you upgrade bees, they get powers.
They do? Yeah, mine just gave me like they spin around or something. By the way, I don't think my ears
Okay, so I have. Okay, so I can use this royal jelly on one of my bees. I think I'm gonna use it on this bee. Transform basic bee. I got a rascal bee. A mischievous bee who moves quick and hits hard. Keep an eye out on this one. Which means it's like a really good moneymaker. It's a red rare.
It's a rare?
Yeah, I got a rare. Did you get a common?
I got a rare.
Oh, you got a rare too?
This guy's giving me like bonuses like
Really? He's giving you royal jelly? Huh.
no,
Well, I'm going out to the blue area so my bees can take out a beetle. Yeah, there's a beetle here. Take her out, bees. Look! Oh, wow, he hits hard. I just killed the bee and the beetle. Get him. Get him. Pull. Pull up your eggs. Egg. Button. Follow me. So, TT's claiming a hive right next to me. I am. But I don't know. Hey, come.
that's random.
E. Oh yeah, he claimed it.
Oh, it's a festive.
Now, your egg onto this. Ho up eggs. Egg button. Now, drag the egg onto the thing.
Onto the hive.
Hit confirm. Oh my gosh, he doesn't. Okay, you can't go on your plate. Go on your plate.
Is it literally called a plate?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm not helping him. Oh my gosh, like taking forever. Why am I 1,500 money? Well, I just got a rake, so TT hasn't figured it out yet. Which what? Yours. Yours. Drag it on to the hexagons and click confirm. Stand here and pull up the egg symbol on the top left. Now, drag it on to the hexagons. Oh my gosh, I don't think he knows this. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, he's never gonna figure it out. I leveled up my bees, by the way.
Cool. I did too. I'm now on level 3.
That's fun. Well, my container's full, so.
Yeah, my container goes to 3,500.
What? Are you kidding me?
There's only 5,000 honey.
Oh my gosh. I don't even have. I don't even have close to enough for that. I don't even know I have enough for a jar. Oh my gosh, you're a pro. Ugh! Oh, we got it over. Oh my. Okay, make honey, bees. Make honey. Make honey, my babies. My bees. Bees. Okay. I have enough for the jar. By that. I have the jar. Hold 650 pollen. That's a dang lot of pollen. Holy moly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Rascal Bee's out of energy. It's going to sleep. Are you kidding me? That's one less bee. Bees. Help me, bees. Oh, I defeated the lady. Oh my goodness. Okay, TT has no idea how to play this. Can you please help him? He has no idea. He's so confused. He doesn't even have a bee. And I'm telling him all the instructions. Oh, we scrapped all bees.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, I know. Like, he doesn't know how to play this game. Holy moly. Come on, bees. Someone gave me a festive gift.
Oh no.
You know, he might be a fan. He might.
Where's the clover queen? Oh, it's up there. Where's the clover? If it can kill me, I'm out. Oh shoot.
It can kill you.
Oh, that's really scary.
But, Sadie, on your bee, sting it.
I know, who doesn't? I'm at the blue.
My bees are getting out of energy.
Oh, I found 3.
Why, bees? Why? Why you do this to me, bees? They're sleeping. What did you find, dude? Oh, my bees are coming back. My bees are done sleeping. 8.
Oh, dang it.
Holy moly. Okay. Gosh. Ah, they hurt me. Ow. Ah! Oh, they're attacking. Oh. Whoa! Hey! Take him out! Take him out! Take him out! You! Holy! Oh my god. Ha ha ha. Mr. Beer, can I? Wait a second. No, I can. Look down there. Oh, I need 4 bees to summon a honey storm.
Who? What?
A honey storm. Thing that gave us so much dang money.
You did give us a lot of money. Do it.
Well, I don't have 4 bees, so I have to get another bee.
Get another bee.
So, what I mean is, say, did you find TT? Well, if he's in your field, can you please teach him how to actually get a bee?
No, thank you.
Oh my gosh. Well, I just got a ticket to get some. By the way, if you have a ticket, you can trade it in for royal honey. For
Really?
royal, yeah, you can trade it in for
Where
royal
can you trade it in? I
jam.
have 5 tickets.
You can trade it in right by the spawn.
Really?
Yeah. Like right by my base. You can get some free, like, jam. Royal jam? So, wait, no, it's not right by the spawn, see? But, it's right here. It's like right by the dandelion field. Oh, I need 6 tickets to use that dispenser. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Well, I gotta collect some honey from the dandelion field. See, have you seen the sunflower field? Do you know where that is? The sunflower field? Where is it? So I'm getting some pollen from the... Oh yeah, I see the sunflower field. It's over
Where do you
there.
convert stuff into stuff?
You need 6.
Ow, dang, that must have hurt.
What must have hurt?
You getting thrown into the wall.
I didn't get thrown into the wall.
Yes, you did. Stop.
I didn't. GT's right next to me. Help me.
Aw, it's a royal
Help
jelly dispenser. I didn't know that was there.
Hello. I don't. He still doesn't know how to play this game.
This is a hard field. I'm getting chased by a rhino, beetle, and a ladybug.
You're getting what? I just got a like.
Not today. Not today.
I have clippers now.
Not today.
I clickers, not clickers, clippers or whatever.
I have a rake.
Whatever. Well,
Carter, do quests and stuff.
I am doing a quest.
What quest are you doing? Are you doing it for Brown Bear?
Yeah.
I'm doing one for Black Bear.
Oh, there's also another bear here.
There's
There's like a peach kind of bear. What the?
It's a girl.
There's a treat store? What? What?
Silver egg.
Hmm?
Oh my god, exhausted bee.
An exhausted bee.
And it's an epic.
It's an epic?
Yes, it is.
Huh. Yeah. Okay. little bees are making honey. My little bees are making honey. Bunny, bunny, bunny. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bees making honey, honey, honey. Little bee girl making honey, honey. Woo. What is it? I'm gonna do that. What, dude? 4,250 honey. Subscribe to Woof. Yeah, okay. Yeah, subscribe. Whatever. 25 bees? Bee time. You can buy bees. What the heck? You can buy flippin' bees. You can buy flippin' bees. Like up at the oh, that's a black bear. Bear. Oh, I'm gonna get a royal jelly.
Really?
Yeah, because I just finished a quest. Brown Bear gives you royal jelly if you complete his quests.
Oh, it's not funny. Well, what pack is that?
Huh? It's up here.
I know, but like...
Oh, snap. Ladybug and a beetle. Brown Bear! Brown Bear. Brown Bear. Brown Bear. Talk to Brown Bear. Great job. Here's some royal jelly. Oh, I just got 2,500 jelly? I mean honey. Uh-huh. So there's a sprout here that apparently gives you so much dang money if you beat it. Well, if you grow it. Rosebud! He just said that in the chat. Hey! He's like, hey! Okay, eggs/items. Royal jelly this guy. I got a cool bee! A sarcastic bee who's a little better than the others. Sometimes boosts pollen from blue flowers. Got a blue rare bee. What? Make some honey. Well, guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's episode. See you guys later. Wait. I need to get this. It's my new friend. There. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.